Hi, I'm Angie with AngieEKnows.com and Surface Design Academy, and welcome to my channel. I'd especially like to welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and pushing me over the 500 mark. It's been a slow walk getting to this point, but I'm finally there. And so that means in the near future, I would need to have a giveaway. I'm still thinking about what I want to do, but be sure to keep coming back to the channel to find out what that will be. Recently, I had a project where I needed to make 16 small painted interfacing silk screens. Now in my last video, I showed you how I cut the painted interfacing by hand to make a silk screen, but there was no way I was going to cut 16 of those. So I pulled out my trusty silver bullet cutting machine and I was able to cut not only 16 but 21 silk screens in less than an hour. So let me show you what they look like, and I have a short clip of the cutting process of the silver bullet. Well guys, this is a very short video. I just wanted to show you how I used the cutting machine to cut a lot of silk screens, in this case out of painted interfacing. And if you have a cutting machine, you can use it in that way also. It really made short work of this project because I dreaded the idea of having to cut 16 of these things by hand. My hands wouldn't have worked properly for weeks after that. So thank goodness for my silver bullet machine. I hope you enjoyed this short little video, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll be notified of any new videos I upload, and I hope to see you back here again sometime soon. But until then, have a beautiful day. Bye bye now.